Are you tired of struggling with storage while riding your bike? Whether you're commuting, touring, or just going on a weekend ride, having the right rear rack bag can completely change your cycling experience. Today, I'll show you the top 5 bike rear rack bags that combine durability, storage, and smart design, so you can ride smarter, not harder. These bags are perfect for road cyclists, mountain bikers, and even e-bike riders. From compact everyday options to large capacity travel solutions, there's something here for everyone. Let's jump right in. First up, the r𝐞𝐚𝐫 Big Daddy expandable rack bag with panniers. This is a powerhouse when it comes to storage. It features expandable panniers, giving you extra space whenever you need it. What really stands out is the built-in insulated compartment, perfect for keeping drinks or snacks cool during long rides. It's fully waterproof, making it ideal for all-weather cycling, and includes dedicated pockets for your phone and water bottles. If you ride an e-bike or carry a lot of gear, this is a premium all-in-one solution. Next, we have the 𝐿 𝐁𝐵 34-liter bike bag panniers. This one is built for serious commuters and grocery runs. With a large 34-liter capacity, you can carry everything from daily essentials to shopping items with ease. It comes with a rain cover for extra protection, and its durable design ensures long-term use. Whether you're commuting to work or running errands, this bag delivers both convenience and reliability. In third place, the 10-liter bicycle trunk bag with waterproof PU fabric. This is a compact and versatile option for everyday riders. It features reflective materials for increased visibility and safety at night. The included shoulder strap makes it easy to carry off the bike, turning it into a practical travel bag. It's lightweight, easy to install, and perfect for short rides or minimal gear setups. Coming in at number 4, the 9-liter PVC waterproof bike rear rack bag. This bag offers a sleek, minimalist design with solid waterproof protection. It's great for both road and mountain biking, especially if you prefer a smaller, streamlined setup. It also includes a rain cover and durable PVC material, ensuring your belongings stay dry no matter the conditions. Finally, the 𝐿𝐵 60-liter bike travel bag. This is the ultimate option for long trips and serious cyclists. With a massive 60-liter capacity, you can store everything, including a full-face helmet. It's designed as a convertible backpack, making it perfect for cycling trips, hiking, or even motorcycle travel. The bright interior lining helps you quickly find your gear, which is a small but very useful detail. So there you have it, the top 5 bike rear rack bags that combine functionality, durability, and smart design. No matter your riding style, upgrading your storage can make every ride more enjoyable. Check the links below for more details and choose the one that fits your needs best.